How may I help you? Certainly, ma'am. We have the units on the table next to your bed. Please wait. May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for that information. Okay, please. Miss Anne of room 07. May I take your order? Would you like egg sandwich with bacon? How about some apple juice going? Is there anything else that you would like to order? Okay, Miss Chris Ann, may I repeat your order? Your order is egg sandwich with bacon and apple juice. Is that correct? Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it or right away or specific on time? The total amount of your bill is 1,700 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge in your room? Is there anything else that I can help you with? Thank you for being up of the concern. Would you like me to transfer your call to the right department address? Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good morning. I am Kim Chasa Miranda, your room server. Is this the room of Miss Crisan Perez?
Yes.
May I come in?
Sure.
Do you want me to set up your table or for you or just leave it to the tray?
Just leave it to the tray.
Okay, ma'am, may I present to you your order? This is egg sandwich with bacon and apple juice.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, do you want me to open your curtain to brighten up your room?
No thanks.
Do you want me to adjust your aircon temperature?
No thanks.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I present to you your bill? I'll be back later to get your soiled dishes or just leave it outside to your room.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.